So in today's video, we're going to learn all basic math. So we're going to start off with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then division. Problem 5 plus 3. For beginners on addition, we would like to probably use a nice number line. And this would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As we're adding, we don't need to go behind because we're not going to go behind. And so to add 3, we want to move 3 steps. So it's 1, 2, and we land on 3. That means our answer to this equation is 8. So if you struggle what I mean by equations, just basically mean the problem or the question, basically. And okay, let's go with a different one. In this video, we'll find these numbers without using this number line, as it is quite a hassle. Actually, no, I'll keep up. Okay, so let's do 6 plus 6. If you can do it without a number line, that would be great. But I'll again use the number line. You can pause the video to make sure you can try use it without a number line if you have a paper near you. So draw a line for the number line. Draw our arrows. Again, we're not going backwards as it's an addition, so we're only going up in this video. So we'll go from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So the second number always means the amount of steps we need. So from here we can use 6 steps. So the steps will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means 6 steps reach 12. This means our answer is 12. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. So now let's move on to negative numbers, like adding with negative numbers. Okay, so let's have a minus 6 plus 4. It's basically the same thing. Don't be frightened that there's a minus. It's literally the same thing. So we'll draw our number line again. Again, we're not going backwards, so you don't need that. So minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and 0. I'll erase that minus 1. Doesn't look right. There we go. This 2 and this 3. Okay. So we have minus 6 here, and this is 0. So from here will be 1, 2, 3, etc. So we'll have to count 4 steps from negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this means we land on minus 2. This means then minus 6 plus 4 equals minus 2. So now we're going to learn some subtraction. So we're going to learn some simple with 1 digit and 1 digit. So we'll go 8 minus 3. What is this equal? So we'll go have a number line, which starts with 8. A big number line. Then we'll have 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So when we take away 3, we are going down. So this is going down, this way is going down. So we have to do this 3 times. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, and whatever number we land on, that is the answer, so that'll be 5. So if we do this again, we'll have 16 minus 9. What would that equal? So we're going to do a method where it's similar to times tables without the number line. We actually can't do it on these ones, we have to still use the number line. Oh no, there we go. We'll still use the number line, so 16, that's our highest number. Then we'll go from here. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4. You have to go down 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when we reach that 9 steps. 8, 9. When we reach that, answer will be 7. That means 16 minus 9 equals 7. Okay, now we're going to do 2-digit minus 2-digit. Scary, right? Well, let's see. We'll do 87 minus 32. What would that equal? So this time we're going to use the similar multiplication method. 87 minus 32. So what would this equal? So we're going to have to minus single digit numbers to get these, and we're not going to use a number line for this. We'll actually do it in our head. So how we do it is that we go down by minusing each of these numbers. That will basically mean 7 minus 2 and 8 minus 3. So what's 7 minus 2? We take away 7, 2 from 7, 7, 6, 5. It's 5. So you're right below it, 5. Then what's 8 minus 3? 8, count from 7, 6, 5, and you reach 3, so our answer is 5. This then determines that 87 minus 32 equals 55. Nice. And now, let's do a bit harder one to finish this off. We'll have 69 minus 40. So 69 minus 40. So this is actually quite easy. So 9 minus 0, since that's our first one here, we always go from the right to the left. 9 minus 0, if you take away 0 from 9, that will keep 9. And 6 minus 4, 6, 5, do it 4 times, 4, 3, 2. Answer is 2. This then equals 29. So that is your subtraction. Hello, and in today's video, we're going to learn how to do multiplication. I'm going to do one simple step, one intermediate step, and one quite hard step. So wait till the end of this video to find that hard step. So let's go on the first simple step on how to do multiplication with 1-digit numbers. Okay, let's have an example. 3 times 5. So the problem asked, what is 3 times 5? What does this mean? It basically means 5 lots of 3. So you've got 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 5 lots of 3. Let me just do this. So it's 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. And 12 plus 3 is 15. This means our answer is 15. That is the same for our answer. So 3 times 5 is 15. Just remember, whatever you're doing, it's just the number and how much it wants to add with. So how many lots it is. Quite simple. That's what it's called. This is the simple step. Okay, let's go into the more intermediate one. So in this, we're going to have 2-digit times a 1-digit. And later on, we're going to have a bit more difficult. So here, I'm going to have 23 times 4. Actually, no, I'll do it the other way to make it so we can't do this 4 times 23. So, unlike last method, we can't write out 23 times of 4. So we have a shortcut method. We do 23, then we put a small times symbol here, then 4. Then we draw a line, and that's our starting point. We put this times symbol over here just to represent that we're using times tables. And we do the same thing for adding. If we want to do 23 plus 4, we'll do 7. What's 23 plus 4? 7, then it's 2. So it's 27. That just shows which thing we're doing. Okay. So, let's have a go. So first off, we want to do these 3 times 4. As we did last time. 3 times 4, 3 lots of 4. 3, 6, 9, 12. So that's 12. So do you think we're going to put the 1 here? No, that is wrong. We don't put the 1 there. We carry it on. We carry it on to the next step. Carry it on. So we have a plus 1. So 2 times 4. That is 8. But we have a plus 1 from our 12. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. It's 92. That is why 23 times 4 equals 92. So I hope you understood that one. And let's go to the more advanced one. This will be quite tricky. Okay. We'll do 16 times 12. This does look quite scary, but I promise you at the end of this video, you'll understand why it's not. So write the same thing that we just did, times 12. And here. I'll tell you the steps that we're going to do. We're going to first, I'll use step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Oh, no. I'm going to get a different colour there. We don't want to have step 4 the same as step 3. There we go. So 6 times 2 is going to be step 1. Then 1 times 2 is going to be step 2. Then 6 times 1 is going to be step 1. And 1 times 1 is going to be step 4. If I do that again, 6 times 2 is going to be step 1. 1 times 2 is going to be step 2. 6 times 1 is going to be step 3. And 1 times 1 is going to be step 4. So if I write this to make it more neater, we know our steps. So step 1, 6 times 2. What is 6 times 2? 6 plus 6 equals 12. So our answer is 12. But again, if it's a, I should write this down. If it's a 2-digit number, we have to carry it on. So we have to carry the 1 from the 12. So then we have 1 times 2, which is 2. But then we have 2, then plus the 1, so that will equal 3. And step 2 will be, step 3, sorry, be 1 times 6, that's 6. That's normal. Sorry, my bad. Whenever we finish a line, so when we go to step 3, we add a 0 because we go to the next line. So in step 3, we go to the next line. On step 3, 0. Then we do our 6 times 1. We do our 6 times 1 is 6. Then step 4, 1 times 1 is 1. Add it all together, 2. 3 plus 6, 9, 1. That's 0. So that equals 192. So that is how you do multiplication in all 3 steps. So first of all, let's get started. We'll do quite a short one. We'll do, so this is division 82 divided by 7. So first of all, we need to have a 7 and 182 in a small division form. How many times does 2 go into 7? 7 go into 18, 2. So it'll be 14, 7 times 2. And we minus it. So we 0, 4, then we drop it down to then 42 divided by 6, 7, which equals 6. Quite simple. Now, it's your turn. Try 228 divided by 4. You can pause the video if you want, or you can just watch me do it again through these simple steps, or just follow along. I'll take it slow this time. That one was quite quick. Okay, so 4 thing you're dividing with, and 228 dividend. So, how many times does 4 go into 2? Well, 4 is bigger than 2, so it can't. That's 0. How many times does 4 go into 22? 5. So what's 4 times 5? 20. So we're minusing from these two. We're minusing from these two. So 22 minus 2. That equals 2. And we drop the 8 down. So we'll have 28. How many times does 4 go into 28? 28 divided by 4, 0, 7. So 4 goes in 7 times. So 4 times 7 is 28. So we have a remainder of 0. This then determines the answer is 57. Nice. Okay, we're going to have a 4-digit number now. Quite trickier. 1,720 divided by 8. Quite scary, I know. So, now, 8 divided by, 8 divided by 1,720. How many times does 8 go in 1? 0. How many times does 8 go in 17? Well, 8 times 2 equals 16. So, twice. So we go 16, then we use the minus method. And 17 times 16, that is 1. We drop the 2 down. We only drop, remember, in division, long division, we only drop 1 digit at a time. 2. How many times does 8 go into 12? Once. So it will be 0, 8 minus. And 12 minus 8 is 4. Drop the 0 down, which will be 40. Then 8 into 40 is 5. It's 40 divided by 8 equals 5. This then means our answer is 215. So that's how you do long division. Thank you for watching that video, and subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell. If you like this video, look at some more videos about the Mathful course and others to help you with your maths.